Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Friday, January 19th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I mean, it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. We definitely did have a big impulsive move down, but really the thing to see on the sort of time frames is that it never broke structure. None of the yen pairs actually told us that this move down was complete, or that this move up was complete, that is, and that this really is a wave five. I actually believe that there's a better chance that this is going to go up and probably make new all-time highs before we see a bigger move to the downside. So let's take it down to the weekly, because on the weekly you can actually see what I mean. I mean, this was a very strong move down, but it never broke any structure. It never really gave us any reason to think that this move up is actually complete. I actually think that this move down is like a motive wave correction, and I think it's more likely that this will go up, probably take out both of these highs before we see a bigger move down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, it's kind of hard to see on this one, but if you look at all yen pairs, a lot of them have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C look right here, like 5 waves for the a small wave B, and a small trend for wave C. I do believe that this is the end of an ABC, and yeah, we may be pushing down temporarily, but I think overall it is going to keep going up. I think it's going to keep making higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up like I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This most recent sets in the price outs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at a lot of pairs though, a lot of the yen pairs that is, I think it's more likely a 1, 2, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 3. I think if anything, this move down is just another correction and it's probably just going to keep on pushing up. Maybe it's like a wave four and then we go up and make a wave five, and the wave five goes up and makes new all-time highs before it ends this trend and makes a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we are going down right now. We don't really have a break of structure. I was kind of wondering if this is actually not even a 1, 2. This is not like a 3, 4, 5, but this is actually a trend, like a wave A, and this is like an A, B, C, a B, and this is actually now in a wave C. Either way, I think it is going to go down. I think it probably is going to take out these lows, and it's either going to make like a proper ABC like this and then go up, or possibly we are already in the wave C like I was just showing, and it's going to have the end of a trend, and at the end of that trend, it will just keep on trending up. Either way, I am definitely still looking at this as an uptrend on the higher time frames, and my primary goal is definitely to still look for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see for the continuation of that bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.